Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an hagashi tarik unaitung kala menjur banera Pisa shwa advance nagabenta ka jio Pisa share of revenue jonga Janti Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC Barkagaru Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC Knang bakini ki artli ki district council kin la ban siu tulab iki nong trei bat pen khoj iki jingyo ram badang sa Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor Umentri Rangba but Umentri Platinga Kajilla, U Conrad Kisangma. Long Bakani Kamti Satya Kajinera Pisa Kaptamai, Nejinio Song Jingeram, Naga Sorkar Jilla. Ndrekade Tanga Jinio Shwai Kabenta Jinio Pisa Jingi District Council, Kabade Hokbanyo Naga Sorkar Jilla. U Conrad Ulo Ong Bakani Kajingerap Kawan Rinkan, Bakajinia Menjur Junga JHADC, but GHADC, Banpentri Kami Kikatu Katni Kijingpin Kala Hakaliang Kasinshar Padba, Barkajingat Bet Yat Rinti Hakaplatinka, administrative, but financial reforms. Kanang Banpin Klanya Kurukam Trekam Jungi District Council, Ula Banjur Bakasorkar Jilla, Kan Omtuklar Satyai Ki Kambayate Bakariti Duster, Kakol Shor Ki Anton Roy, Barki Borbla Aida Kasik Schedule. Rekan ai jingerap tang hakaliang kajingpen bhai kajingat padba bar kajingpen ya ya kapisa Umentri rangba ula pentip bakawai na kibenta ki bakong santam kalong ban penkre iki service rules jong baro kitna trekam hagi district council ulong bakakam kalapoi shaka kadan ka bajandem bal akmi lenti banadu ka shitri unailur onla ban pentrekam yaki Kadkum ka jing ong jing u kini ki service rules kan penbet ikrukam thungkam jingyo kan tiu kadan jingya pen kan ria barkiwe ki benta ki bedai bikinong tray Kanang banwan ra ya kajing shisha bakajing ya pat ba ka bakhun shishu ka Sorkar kadang trairu ban pelong online ye bun ki rukam dum khajna bajing ya Pisa jing district council kani ka kanthop ye kajing penthmai ya ka license kajing su professional tax kajing penmi bat penthmai ki trading license bat ki we ki kam pat ba leng ba ka internet u konrad ulo ong bakane kan pendunai kajing su Pisa da kakti cash transaction kan pensuk ye ki pat ba ban apply bat su khajna bar kan penjanai ru ye kajing lum khajna jong ki council Nalor kata ke Sorkar kadang ya trailang barki district council manwat lad kumno ban penbon ya kajing ya lum khajna ling ba kajing pendon kam hok ya kajing ya dan jing assets jongki council badda ka ba penbet thamai ki rukam lum jing yo Pisa Habakali Shupanga KHADC Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC u Conrad lo ang baka Sorkar kla airu ikajuk kajing terwa ka kentup ikajing yo advance na kabenta ka revenue share ba kajing don lang jong u principal secretary banyara pentray kam iki reform Henry ulo ang baka KHADC kam shamla priang ikate kajing terwa u Conrad lo ang baka Sorkar ka buram ya karai jong ka KHADC bar kam dan kanu kajing ya kajia halor kane ka benta Umentri rangba ulak dawru baka wayne ki Dauba jong jing Pisa hakat tu kat ni district council kari ke jingbun palat ki nong tray lo ang ba mensha ka GHADC ka don hadu kuma arajar saus pangut ki nong tray Henry hadin bala pensange e ka jing thungkam thamai menta kala hiar shakomba 1000 saus pangun hakawi pat kaliang lo ang ba ka GHADC ka don hapo 1000 ngut ki nong tray kat ba ka JHADC ka don kuma 1000 ars pangun watla ka jing lum khajna jing ki council kam long ka ba he kuma don kam U Conrad lo ang baladala ban pentray kampurai kini ki reform ki district council kan nang ban yeng hala ki jong ki gejat kan siu tulap kham kloi kan pen bhai ki rukam trekam bar ki long ki ba kham scam ha ka liang ka platinka ha ki snem banwan ha ka bakut ulaban biang baka Sorkar jilla kan nang beteng ban pelat e ka benta jingyo Pisa jong ki district council namar ka dei ka hok jong ki kat ba ka jingirap advance ka long tangkala jingirap shipor ban penbet e ka jingduna Pisa
district councils we had a meeting where we had said that we are ready to work with the district councils for those who want to work with us. And we had said that we are not giving you any money extra from our side, but we are only ensuring that we are able to give a small thing, which is the advance from your share, which is not coming on time and because of which you're not able to pay salaries. Our only condition was that we want to have a principal secretary who would be there from our side. And number two, we would want to see that we have got reforms. And then we say that there are service rules you have to come up with. So those district councils that accepted that offer from our side, we gave that offer. Those who did not want to accept it, which is completely their decision and we respect it, they did not accept it. So the KHADC Hills District Council was not accepting that, which is perfectly fine. It's their decision. We have nothing to say in it. About Garu Hills and Janti Hills, they accepted our proposal. And that's what I'm saying, that apart from, because a lot of people may say, well, you're giving the money, but what's the status of the reforms? So I'm giving you the update that while we are giving the funds to them from their share. Again, as I said, this is not extra money. This is all advance from their share, which is being kept in the books. We are just monitoring also the second part of the agreement, which is to do reforms. Are they doing reforms or not? Have they done or not? Because again, as I said, this arrangement is temporary in nature. We expect that a day will come when the councils will be self-sufficient. A day will come when they will be running in a professional manner with technology inputs, with online systems, with payments being made online, and having a proper administrative setup, which they have, but I think can be improved to a large extent. All the see, there's no government, there's nobody who has surplus. I'll be very blunt. If you have surplus, that means that you're not utilizing your money in a proper manner. But yes, being self-sufficient is a good thing. Being able to ensure that you're able to pay your revenue expenditure, which is salaries and other non-capital expenditure on time, is important. KHADC in the last many decades has been run much more professionally. I keep repeating this, that even today, KHADC plus minus, I don't know the exact number right now, is below 1,000 employees, maybe about 800 employees or something they have. I think even 700 if I'm not wrong. But Garo Hills, when we started this process, had 2,400 employees. Today, by ensuring that no new appointments are made, they're down to 1,400. Still double of what KHADC has. So their salaries are double of KHADC. Their revenues are maybe lesser than KHADC. Similarly, JHADC Hills also has about 1,200 or 1,300 employees. Again, far more than what KHADC has. So somewhere I think there's an issue of streamlining things and managing things. And somewhere, as I said, KHADC in the last many decades has been able to professionally ensure that the administrative part has been done well. As I said, if you look at through the years, KHADC's employer strength has been well below 1,000, very much under control. And no EC that has come in has just randomly appointed people, and which are sometimes difficult decisions to make, but in the administrative context are the right decisions to make. So yeah, so they've managed their administration for the last many decades in a much more better manner. They're very fair. They share whatever there is. It is their right to ask, and it is their right to get, and it is obligation on us to release. And so we are releasing the shares on time. Even last time, I remember just I think about 2-3 weeks back, Garo Hills District Council and the JHADC Hills District Council, which are the two district councils which had accepted the proposal from the government of Meghalaya to work closely with government of Meghalaya to support them in terms of giving them advances from their revenue to support their salary, clearing some of the backlogs based on their revenue, so advances being given for that, and in turn accepting reforms, mainly administrative reforms and financial reforms, so that we can actually improve the overall functioning of the councils without going into their different aspects of tradition, culture, and different aspects which are very unique to the district council, without interfering in those aspects. A review meeting was held yesterday on that area, in those areas, and I'm happy to inform that both the district councils are working with our financial teams, whether it's the service rules, almost close to 18 service rules in each of the district councils. They are at advanced stage. We expect that by 1st of September, the service rules for all the different departments, for both the district councils, will be ready and implemented. Apart from the service rules, which are of course very important, because that takes care of recruitment, promotion, and different aspects of personnel department, is very crucial, and so those are on track. At the same time, different aspects of revenue generation and making the revenue generation online. For example, in Garo Hills, the renewal of pattas, which happens every 10 years, they are working on making that system of renewal of pattas online, so that the collection is more efficient. The payments are online through a bank account, so that there is minimum cash transaction. And the application forms, which sometimes were not available to the people, could be done without having to go to the council, and online you would get the renewal forms, fill up the renewal forms, pay the necessary fees, and get your patta renewed. Those kind of softwares and applications are being prepared. Similarly, for professional tax also, there is a system that's being created where people can pay professional tax online, and so that again there is convenience for the people. At the same time, the revenue collection will improve. Similarly, for trading licenses also, systems are being created based on the current system which works in every council, because every council's working systems differ. So whatever is tailor-made and whatever is the working system there, based on that, technology platform is being created so that it makes the system simple and online, and the respective councils are able to streamline the system. So those aspects are also being looked into, and all other aspects of different financial rules, whether it's procurement policies or different kind of financial policies that are required. All of these also are being mapped and closely being worked out with the councils, which we are hopeful that will streamline the overall administration and working and the overall financial stability of the councils. While we do that, we have also looked into the aspect of seeing how we could also improve the overall revenue of the councils, because we've realized that in many areas, whether it's rate rationalization, whether it's maximum utilization of the different assets that they have, all of these things are also of great importance. And we feel that we can work on this, and we can ensure that in the long run, as I said, without interfering into the day-to-day functioning of the other aspects, but guiding them in terms of the financial thing with their consent, we are hopeful that these measures, these reforms, and these steps of creating online portals, creating online systems, and a computerized system, which will be, as I said, used and operated by the employees of the council. We are very hopeful that we'll be able to improve the functioning of the council and lead to reforms and stability of the councils in the long run. We had also a cabinet. All of these things are also of great importance, and we feel that we can work on this, and we can ensure that in the long run, as I said, without interfering into the day-to-day functioning of the other aspects, but guiding them in terms of the financial thing with their consent, we are hopeful that these measures, these reforms, and these steps of creating online portals, creating online systems, and a computerized system, which will be, as I said, used and operated by the employees of the council. We are very hopeful that we'll be able to improve the functioning of the council and lead to reforms and stability of the councils in the long run.